album. Thank you for giving me a copy of it.
Salamat din.
Anong carrier single?
Very Special Love.
Bakit yun ang pinili?
Kasi medyo catchy yung tune, I guess. Yes.
Okay, tapos sinabi ko nga yung Coming from the Rain.
Coming from the Rain.
So, hihingi ako ng konti from you.
Nang Coming from the Rain.
Yes, it's so beautiful talaga.
And it looks like sunny skies. Now that I know you're alright. Time has left us older, but wiser. I know I am.
Alam mo, lahat kayo namang hana. Parang natingin na sana hindi na tayo pakantahin. Nakakahiya. When is the concert?
March 17 at the Araneta Coliseum by Crossover presents.
Okay. So, and then after that, balik ka na?
Babalik na ako sa Las Vegas.
When?
On the 19th.
Already.
Yes.
Okay.
May trabaho kasi kung naiwan doon.
Oo nga. So, and then, gano'ng katagal na naman before you come back here?
I don't know.
10 months? Ganon?
Well, I hope it's going to be that short, pero ewan ko lang.